Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're unable to connect your social media account to Buffer or your connected account keeps disconnecting, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer account connection issues in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solutions step by step. First, sign in to your Buffer account and open the Channels section. Check which account is showing a connection error. If you've recently changed the password for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, or YouTube, you'll usually need to reconnect that account. Click the Reconnect button and sign in to the social media account again. Make sure you approve every permission requested during the authorization process. Missing permissions can prevent Buffer from connecting successfully. Next, verify that you're logging into the correct account. Many users have multiple social media accounts, so confirm that you're connecting the one you actually want to manage in Buffer. Now, check whether you still have the required permissions. If you're connecting a Facebook page, LinkedIn company page, or YouTube channel, make sure you're an admin or have full management access. If the connection still fails, sign out of Buffer, close your browser, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and often fixes temporary authentication issues. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with the authorization process between Buffer and your social media accounts. You should also disable any VPN, proxy server, or browser extensions such as ad blockers for a few minutes. These tools can sometimes block secure authentication requests. Try using another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. If the